What's up, Goon Squad? We are back out here. So today we're going to take off these doors, the hard top, and we're going to start lifting up the tub. We're going to start with these doors here. We're probably going to have to unscrew them here because I think it's pretty rusted here. So, right here and here. So not too bad. It won't pop up because the doors are like rusted on or something.
Nice.
Bingo. Alright, so we got the doors off, top off. Next is this tire carrier. Next, we're going to take off this hood. Now we're just looking at what wires need to be removed. So we're trying to figure out what stays with the tub and what stays with the engine. One more ground up top.
Alright.
There's the first one. We really need to get some air tools out here. But it's all good. I like the old-fashioned way.
Old-fashioned way.
I'm gonna have to straighten these out later once we pull the tub off. So these body mounts are coming off pretty dang easy. I'm surprised. I thought they'd be rusted on. Alright, so we got all the body mounting bolts off. So next I'm going to remove this shifter linkage here. Got 4 bolts. Back up front here we also disconnected these coolant lines here. Also we disconnected this AC canister line here. So that stays with the motor, that goes with the tub. We missed one thing, the evap canister did break a little hose there, but we could fix that, no problem. No big deal. We got that off. This is kind of sketchy. We should be good. Alright, so we got the tub off the frame. He's over here reminiscing, dreaming. But this is the kink we were talking about. I mean, it's pretty bad. I'd rather just replace it.
Yeah, it's kinked in really good and it's pushed up really good too.
Yeah,
so
that's hard to pull. We pulled the frame on a TJ before and it was very hard to get it straight back
not
into its
easy
position.
work. Probably costs the same as a new frame, so might as well just do a new frame.
It looks pretty cool with everything off. It was pretty easy actually. I was surprised it wasn't that hard to get that tub off. The only thing we broke was this little piece here, which goes to the evap canister here.
You can get a new one from the junkyard.
This frame was pretty bad, so we're gonna Swap it with that nice
brand new frame.
Brand new frame once we paint it.
2006.
The motor is gonna get cleaned up. Probably gonna do some new paint on the block. Gonna pressure wash it, degrease it. Degrease everything under here, the transmission, transfer case. Gotta paint the drive shafts. We got the tub off. We gotta pick up a lot of tools. The next part, we're probably gonna take the axles out, paint them, sand them down, grind them, get all that rust off of them, and make them look brand new again. Alright, got both doors on, top on, and that's a wrap for today. It was a pretty productive day, I'd say. I'm very happy with the results we got today. Pretty much we just got to take this motor out, take the axles out, and just start spraying stuff in and start making stuff look brand new.
Swapping.
Alright, if you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe because we got more cool stuff coming to the channel. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.